So this is a video of my Parrot MKi9200. It's installed in my 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee Ltd with the Infinity Gold Premium sound system. I had this professionally installed, not by somebody at Best Buy or Future Shop or anything like that, but by a veteran in the industry who's been doing it for over 30 years. Vintage repairs on everything from radios to TVs, all around brilliant man. And I'm an audio engineer, so I have a general idea of what I'm talking about. So the issue that I'm having is that I'm getting a static or a crackle out of the back right speaker only. The system has 6 speakers, 2 up front, 2 in the front doors, and then 2 in the back doors. And the only speaker that makes a noise is the back right speaker, and it's only when I'm surfing the menus between modes that the Parrot offers. If I press the button, surf a mode, choose it, it will then disappear. So if I press the button, go to line in, it'll crackle until I choose line in, then it disappears, and I can monitor something using line in, and it's crystal clear, no problems at all. The only issue this static where the static continues on is if I choose a telephone and talk on my phone. So I'm going to show you exactly what happens here. So right now it's just on the home screen, it's connected to my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to press the button.
Phone book.
And there's the noise. You can hear it. So now if I continue surfing, I do again.
Text friendly.
You can hear it squawking back there.
Telephone.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the phone back to the speaker so you can actually hear it. And here it goes again.
Telephone.
You hear that? And so if I go to any one of these, like say I go to line in.
Line in.
So that would be line in. So let me just go ahead and plug my phone into line in. So I'm now plugged into line in, and if I could play music, I would, but I can't because I'm taking this video. But if I were to play music right now, the music would be crystal clear, and I'd have no issues. So when I talked to the Canadian rep for Parrot, he was extremely rude to me and said that it was a common ground issue with these stereos. And I assured him that if it was a common ground issue, that the sound that I'm hearing would be occurring during all monitoring of all modes with this device. But that's not the case. It's only present when I'm menu surfing and then when I'm only talking on the telephone. This is something that has to do with a Parrot piece of hardware. And I'm prepared to fight this as much as I have to. I've taken it back to the shop that installed it, and they've double checked everything and assured me that it was fine, and I trust them. They've been doing work for me on vintage car stereo repairs for over 3 years now, actually as long as 5 years. So I'd really like to get this resolved as quickly as possible. I have only had this installed in the car for about a month, and it started occurring immediately after installation. So let's get the ball rolling here and see what we can do. Thank you.